Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Miss Sunny. I'm here today to talk to you about self-awareness and self-regulation. These are two very important things for you to learn how to deal with and how to recognize when you're thinking about all of your social and emotional needs in life. Self-awareness is when we are aware of our feelings and emotions and how things like what's going on in the world today are affecting us. So, what we're going to do today in order to be self-aware is I'm going to ask you to answer 3 questions. You're going to write the answers down in complete sentences, and then you're going to set that paper aside. We're going to do it together. So let me get my paper, and we will answer together. Let me just tear off a piece of paper here. You can do it with anything, an envelope, whatever is nearby you, okay? So the first question that we're going to answer together is, I feel blank right now about being out of school. So for me, I'd say I feel blank right now about being out of work. So I'm going to answer that. Okay. And the great thing about this is we don't have to share our answers. These are our emotions and our feelings. And so really think about it and be honest. So remember, you're answering, I feel blank right now about being out of school. Number 2 is, I am blank about what is happening in the world right now. So I am blank about what is happening in the world right now. Number 3 is, I feel like I want to blank. I feel like I want to blank. And remember, be honest. It can be anything. Okay, so now that you've answered those and you've written down your answers, now set that paper aside and set down your pen. And what we're going to talk about now is what's called self-regulation. So what you just did was you made yourself self-aware of what your emotions and your feelings are right now, and you wrote them down. Next, in order to self-regulate, you have to figure out a way to deal with those emotions and those feelings. So, in order to self-regulate, which means dealing with them, we're going to do an activity that's going to help you get rid of those feelings. So, what I want you to do right now is I want you to pick up that piece of paper and just tear it up. Rip it up, as many pieces as you want. You get to just rip it and rip it and rip it. And if you want to rip it some more, you can pull it apart and rip it some more. And when you're done, you take these pieces and you put them in the trash. And you don't think about it anymore. The reason for doing this is to get rid of your stress. Self-regulating helps us deal with our stress. And stress is bad. Stress can sometimes make us sick. Stress can sometimes make us angry. And if we have no way to get our emotions out, then we're really not self-regulating, and we're not helping with getting rid of that stress. So you have now become self-aware and you've self-regulated. I'm proud of you. So just remember that you don't have to do this particular activity. You could also have a journal. You may have somebody that you really trust and that you really like to share these kinds of things with, and that's fine. You also may want to record yourself, maybe on your laptop like I'm doing, or maybe on your phone, just your voice, and just talk about the way you feel. But whatever it is, it's important that you do it for yourself. So If you do decide to do this activity, remember, don't litter because you can do this anywhere. You can do it in the classroom, you can do it outside at a park, you can do it anywhere, but don't litter because we know that's not good. So I hope that you have enjoyed learning how to get some of those feelings out today, and I will be back with you to teach you some more. Thank you. Have a great day.